Hey everyone, welcome back to HackZero. If you're into cybersecurity, hacking, or networking, you're in the right place. Kali Linux is the go-to operating system for penetration testing and ethical hacking. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to install Kali Linux on your PC. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications to stay updated. Now, let's get started with installing Kali Linux. The first thing you need is the Kali Linux ISO file. Head over to Kali.org and click on the download section. Here, you'll see different versions of Kali available for download. I recommend choosing the installer version, and make sure to select the one that matches your system architecture, either 64-bit or 32-bit. Once downloaded, you'll get an ISO file, which we'll use to create a bootable USB. Next, restart your computer and access the boot menu. The key to access it may vary depending on your computer brand. For example, it could be F2, F10, F12, or SC. From the boot menu, select your USB drive to boot from. After booting from the USB, you'll see several options. For a standard installation, select Graphical Install and press Enter. Now, Kali will walk you through the setup. First, choose your language, location, and keyboard layout. This helps set up your system according to your preferences. Next, Kali will try to configure the network. If you're connected to the internet via Ethernet, it will auto-configure. For Wi-Fi users, select your network and input the password. Now, you'll create a user account. Enter your full name, username, and a strong password for the root account. Remember, Kali is powerful, and you need a strong password to protect your system. For disk partitioning, I recommend choosing the Guided Use Entire Disk option if you're new to Linux. This will automatically partition your drive for you. If you're dual booting, make sure you select the correct drive so that you don't accidentally delete your other operating system. Just a reminder, this process will erase everything on the selected drive, so back up any important data first. Once you confirm the partitioning, Kali will begin installing the system. This can take 10 to 20 minutes depending on your hardware. Go grab a coffee while we wait.
Wake up to the sound of thunder, like a whisper in my ear. Are you gonna wait forever? I can see the stars reflecting, the empty tires made of steel. Everything but you is fading. I see your light, take me away from me, beyond the stratosphere. I'm burning up, you got me falling free into eternity. When you tear up my horizon.
When the installation is almost done, you'll be prompted to install the Grub bootloader. Select Yes, and choose the disk where you want to install Grub. This ensures that Kali Linux can boot properly. Once the installation is finished, remove your USB drive and reboot your system. You should now boot directly into Kali Linux. And that's it. You now have Kali Linux installed and ready to go. Whether you're starting your journey in ethical hacking or exploring new tools, you're all set. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy hacking!